Okay, quick note. Let's see if I can get this on camera. So if you notice that your pulley on the back is a little wobbly, like this, see how it kind of wobbles from one side to the other? It'd be a good idea to make sure all your screws are on there tight. Because what I've noticed is, if you can hopefully see it, that one of them, that one right there, isn't on all the way. See how it gets tighter? Trying to get there, see? Right there. So that one I'm going to tighten up a bit. And we'll see right there, that one. And it should straighten it out. Okay, I'll try to do it before and after, but here's it after I straightened it out. So I made sure all the screws were on tight. I got rid of basically all the wobble. It's not going to be perfect ever, but I think it's pretty good.